Gonna be doing a deck today. Got the truck set up, got the water going, and don't have any lines pulled yet. I just pulled up. The water's a little slow, so I gotta wait a bit, so I thought I'd talk to you guys. I'll take you up here, I'll take some befores and afters of the deck, but it's gonna be a quick job. So I'll use the pressure washer, rinse it off. So this is what we got left after getting all the mud and everything off here, kind of in shadows. Hopefully you can see it. Plus I got sunglasses on, so it looks really dark, but it should show up. So that's what the cleaner's gonna get off of here. Blasted some of it off. I don't know if you can see, it's real faint right here. The green algae starting. Those algae monsters invading. With humidity, it felt like 120, and that's when I was watching that YMCA job. I was just ball sweat. But today I think it's high 70s, not as bad humidity. I'll put it up here, what it is. There you go. But it feels great out here, and when it mists back on me, it's like air conditioning. I don't know what that is. It almost looks like a burn. So that's not coming off there. I'm gonna try a magic eraser and see how that does. Got that one. I don't know. I think it's kind of working. Yeah. I don't know what that is. Anyway, this is what I'm going to be doing. Going through here, trying to get these rust spots off of here. And whatever this is. Man. I'm pushing so hard. It's almost, at first it looked burnt, right? Or maybe that's what it looked like at first. I don't know, some kind of, looks like a tire mark now. There's something neat on the job out here. I don't know if it's coming across. That's about as far as I can zoom in on my phone, but the wind going through the cornfield out there, I don't know, I think it looks pretty neat.